Meaning of ingeniously.
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 Ingeniously. The term ingeniously refers to doing something in a clever, inventive, and skillful manner. It involves using one's intellect to come up with creative solutions and approaches to problems that are not readily apparent or straightforward. An action or idea that is ingeniously executed typically achieves the desired goal in an elegant and efficient way, often surpassing expectations. Ingenious individuals are able to think outside the box and find new and innovative ways to tackle challenges, leading to breakthroughs in science, technology, art, and many other fields. Overall, ingenuity is a valuable trait that can lead to success in various areas of life.